so finally got the girl out. I've driven her before, but she had been overheating. Not overheating per se. The needle had been somewhere in the close to the H. So I just replaced the thermostat, and yeah, man. I also noticed that the blower for the carburetor was also just running constantly. So disconnected that and put some fuel in it, some enzyme to stabilize the fuel, and oh my god, bro, like I'm in love with this thing right now, like literally in love with this thing. I love the analog feel of it. She's got a little pep in her now. So that first post I put up, I put a post up of how slow she was. Yeah, I take that back because I just couldn't feel the torque. Now this thing has a decent amount of torque. She's responsive. So as you can hear, she does have some grinding down here. This weird noise that we believe it's a strawberry. So I ordered the clutch. My buddy Al's gonna go ahead and put it in, and he's gonna do the diff oil change for me as well. I'm probably gonna have him flush out the radiator. But yeah, man, I'm really pleased. So you see all this room back here. It's almost like a bus. Yeah. Anyway, stay tuned.